We have calculated the department system. Now we need to get the arrival system of this automat. Now I will copy this automat. I will take it, copy, and I will go down and put it inside new page, and let's solve the arrival system. Now the arrival system, we have three states. So we have three equations. You can consider them as equations. So A1 equal. So what are the arrivals to A1? The A1 have the arrival of epsilon. So this is the epsilon, this is the initial state. And we have A2B. You guys, you see I'm putting first the A2 and then B. In the arrival, we put the state first and then the input. In the department, we put the input and then the arrival, the state. So this is A1, A2. We have here, what are the arrivals to A2? We have A only. And this A is coming from 1. So A1A. Okay, so this is the arrival system of A2. We go to A3, we have A coming from 2, so A2A. We have B from 1, so it is A1B. And we have A and B coming from A3 itself, so A3B and A3A. Okay, let me put them inside the equation that we have created. Okay, A3 equal A1B plus A2A plus A3A plus B. Okay, these are the equations. Now we need to get the arrival equation. As I told you in the previous videos, that the arrival system, it is the 2 because it is the final state. So we need to calculate the A2. So A2 here, I will make it like this line. A2 equal L of M for the arrival. So the arrival is, the equation is equal to A2, and A2 is equal to A1A according to this equation. Okay, let me substitute and get rid of the of A1. So A2 equal, I will substitute A1, which is epsilon plus A2B times A. And A2 here is the same as A2 here. So we can use the previously created formula, and the famous formula that we have dealt with in Automat. So let me make it the shape in a good shape, and then we will substitute. So epsilon times A, and plus A2BA, just expanding. Now epsilon A is equal to A plus A2BA and A2 here. As the equation and the formula tells us, this is X and this is X. the multiplied by x is called u, and the plus or the summed value is called v. So according to this equation, we can put x equal to v u star. Now let me substitute and execute this formula. Therefore, according to this formula, a2 will be equal to a, which is v, and u star, so b a star. Okay, now we see that we have calculated here the arrival system. Okay, so the arrival system is equal here. Let me change the value, and you see, guys, that the arrival and the department are the same in this automat system. So it's very clear that we have two expressions having the same values. Okay, the arrival and the department of this automat. Okay, thank you, guys. I will see you in next videos and more exercises.